Today, we'll check the model in 3 steps. First, health issue detection. Open BIBIM AI from the top tab. Tell BIBIM, run a full model health check. Find thin walls, short walls, abnormal wall heights, short columns, and thin slabs. BIBIM starts scanning the entire project. Done. BIBIM organizes every issue by category and story. The log previews all detected issues. The complete QC report is exported automatically to Excel. Thin walls, short elements, and slab issues all separated into individual sheets. Second, let's check duplicate element IDs. BIBIM scans the model for duplicate IDs. Done. BIBIM detects IDs used by multiple elements automatically. Final step, select all walls thinner than 50 mm for review. BIBIM immediately highlights the problem walls in Archicad. The log shows all 11 flagged walls and highlights them directly in the model. Now, the errors can be reviewed instantly from the selected view. Full model health check completed in one session. Let's try BIBIM.